Oh, greed on Wall Street, yes! What was that all about? Hi, I'm Roger Groh. Today, we're going to be talking about stock options and what they mean to you. Well, we've all heard the stories. The execs making $100 million, $200 million a year in salaries. Well, generally, most of that was not cash being paid to those executives. Generally, that money was coming to them via stock options that were awarded to their plans. Now, why would you do that? I mean, what is the advantage in doing that? Well, it puts the executive right in line with shareholders, because as one profits, so does the other. In my mind, that is the best way to do it. Forget about the dollars for a minute. You want interests to be aligned. Interestingly, this was deemed as abusive because of the dollars that were involved. And Congress and states began to frown on managers being incentivized in such big dollar amounts. And companies then began to incentivize people via cash and not stock options. Well, that may, in fact, we may learn that might be the primary cause of the problems today in many businesses, including banks, including the home building businesses, and insurance companies, where they were fat and happy, they had cash, the managers were not susceptible to the ups and downs in the stock market like they had been in the past. And they didn't even have to consider it. So that's something to think about. Now, how can you use them? Well, if you think that a stock is going to go up substantially over a long period of time, you can certainly buy a stock option through your discount broker or a full service broker. Be very careful. The likelihood that you're going to be right is low. You will probably lose money in the options business, but nonetheless, it is a tool that you can use. Speak carefully with your broker about it, perhaps attend some seminars to really learn how to use them. They're a valuable tool. You can tax plan with them, which is really wonderful, but be careful. I'm Roger Groh. That's a little bit about stock options.